Hey guys, Dalton here again. We're going to be out here outside of the 2024 Rockwood Geo Pro 20BHS. Big pass-through storage here on this little camper, and you're at 21 feet 2 inches. In the Rockwood Geo Pro, smaller version of that mini light you just saw, you're only 7.5 feet wide instead of the full 8 feet wide. You can option for the powered stabilizer jacks, but this one you do have the quick drop jacks. 200-watt solar panel on the roof, and of course, being a Rockwood, aluminum cage all the way through with the Asdale siding. Slam latch doors, so just drop it about halfway down, they'll lock on themselves. Friction hinge door all the way through, so no matter where you stop it, even in this light breeze, it's not going to move that around too much. Solid steps down here, so that way you're nice and stable as you walk up and down. And of course, frameless windows in all your Rockwoods, giving you that nice clean look. And of course, I believe they're 28.5 inch off-road style tread tires. Tire pressuring monitoring system all the way through in all your Rockwoods. Your nice rail here for any kind of outside griddle and table that comes with it. And on this camper, I believe you have an 18-foot awning with that LED strip underneath of there. Awesome little setup. Let's go check out the inside. In the 20BHS, you have a queen size bed, kicked east to west here. Nice little headrest up here with your electric outlets. Let's see if I can get that all the way up. 2 windows, one in the side here, one in the front. We're going to leave those down though, to give us a little bit of privacy. Nice little storage rack up here, and of course your smart TV over in the corner, which does rotate out. Over here in the slide, you do have a dinette, which does turn into a second bed for any kind of guest you want to take with you. A false drawer here. I've tried to open that many times. It got hinges on both sides. It doesn't open. But of course, a little bit of storage here. Solid cabinetry all the way through with that Newport ash color, or I forget what they call it now. Nice little sponge drawer. Single basin sink with your drying rack. And of course, nice little oven with your 3-burner cooktop so you can cook your grilled cheese on all your camper. Lots of storage in your kitchen here. Black glass refrigerator. This one's not the dual swing. There's your freezer. And of course your refrigerator below. And your nice little lock. A little bit more storage there. Directly behind me is your bunks. I'm going to get out of the way so you guys get a nice view. And that bottom bunk does swing up there to give you storage for any kind of bicycles or anything like that you want to store. And then there's your bathroom. You do have a sink in there, folds up against the wall there. It looks like a baby changing station, but that is your sink. And of course your shower with the tub. One thing we didn't show you from the outside, which we'll go back out and show you that there real quickly, is your outside storage door. Of course, backup camera prep on all your campers. Outside storage doors. Like I said, this mattress does lift up along with this little bed here on the bottom, so we can put any kind of bike or anything back here. Nice little storage option. So while you go camping, you can take anything else with you. But that's the 20BHS. Nice little single axle made by Rockwood. Again, frameless windows all the way around. Beautiful little camper.